Let's review what we're gonna build in this course. I'm going to start from the homepage. In the homepage, we have a header. It shows the name of e-commerce website, a search box, and header menus. In the content section, we have carousel and latest product. Products in the carousels comes from featured product in the admin dashboard. And for the latest product, it comes from the latest product added to the e-commerce website. Let's go to the product page, click on the banner. The product page is search engine optimized. In the URL, we have the slug of product and heading 1 with the name of product. In the product page, we show the product image, and you can add as many images as you want to the product image. In the second column, we show the rating of product, name of product, and price, and description. And in the last column, the action column, you can see the price of product, status in the stock, and add to cart button. Also, we implemented reviews for products, so you can watch user reviews here and add your review if you want. By clicking on Add to Cart button, we will be redirected to the shopping cart page. In this page, we have a list of all products added to the cart, and you can increase quantity of products in the cart. Based on this change, the subtotal will be updated. Also, you can remove product from the cart, and you will get this link to go for shopping, selecting products, add to cart, and having shopping cart page again. Let's add another product to the cart and change the quantity of them. In the shopping cart, when user click on proceed to checkout, we check the authentication of user. If user is not authenticated, we redirect it to the sign-in page, and after entering email and password, we redirect user to the shipping page. If user don't have an account, they can click on create account, enter name, email, password, and confirm password, and click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, user will be redirected to the shipping page to complete the checkout wizard. In the shipping page, user can enter their address and choose their location on the Google map. When user click on choose location on the Google map, they will be redirected to the Google map to select their location on the map, and after confirm, user will be redirected to shipping address page, and the latitude and longitude will be saved in the checkout wizard. By clicking on continue, we show payment method selection screen for user, and user can select either PayPal or Stripe. By clicking on continue, we show the last step in the checkout wizard and its preview of order. Here we show the summary of order, including shipping information, payment information, and the items selected in the e-commerce website. Here we show the order summary, prices for us, including items price, shipping price, tax price, and order total. And when user click on place order, we create an order in the database and redirect user to the order screen. It shows the status of shipping, payment, and order item. In the order summary section, we implement PayPal button here, and when user click on PayPal, they will be redirected to the PayPal, and by completing purchase, user will be redirected to the e-commerce website, and the status of payment will be changed to paid. Also, user can select entering credit card directly inside the website in the PayPal options. As you see, the status of shipping is not delivered. Later, we'll log in with admin account and change the status of this order to delivered. We implemented a menu in the header for customer so they can update their profile in the user profile page and change their email and password here like this. And we created another page for customer and its order history. They can view their previous orders and click on details to check the details of their orders. Before going for admin dashboard, let's review the sidebar. Here we implemented a sidebar to show the product categories, and when user select a category, we redirect user to a new page that shows products under a specific category. User can click add to cart directly here and increase it by double-clicking on add to cart. The last feature of this website is search products. When you type a keyword like fit and press enter in the header, we redirect user to the search page, and here you can filter products by departments, price, and average. Also, you can remove all filters and watch all products. In the search page, we implemented pagination, so you can go to next pages if the products is a lot. And you can filter products by departments, by price range, and by rating. Also, you can sort products based on price and average customer review. The last part of this e-commerce website is admin dashboard. Let me log out from the normal user and log in as admin user. I will have a new menu in the header and it's admin. The first item is dashboard. In the dashboard page, we show the summary of users, orders, and sales in the e-commerce website. Also, we show sales chart and a pie chart to show the products in the categories. The next menu for admin is products. And here, admin can create new products or edit current products. The third menu is orders. And here, admin can view the details of order and change the status of order to delivered. The last menu for admin is users. Admin can view list of all users and edit or delete user information. That's it about the features of this e-commerce website. Let's go and implement it.